NYSE Floor Talk here at Exchange in Miami Beach is Eliot Bishop. Eliot is a client portfolio strategist at Schwab Asset Management. Eliot, wonderful to see you. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you. How quickly a year goes, right?
I know, it really goes by so fast.
But I have to say, last year we didn't start this conference on Super Bowl Sunday, so we might have to have a talk with somebody.
I think so. So now, Eliot, tell me, what investor problem or outcome are you wanting to talk about today?
So it's the same outcome as last year, but we have a little bit of a different twist this year. So we are still focusing on income and income generation for clients. And in the last year, we've actually launched a new product that we'll quickly talk about. And we've also lowered our fixed income ETF pricing all the way down to 3 basis points across the board on all of our products. So that puts us right there in direct competition with everyone else in terms of low cost.
Okay, so now tell me, what ETF do you have that you would like investors to consider?
Well, so I mentioned our new product launch. We just launched a high yield product within the last 10 months. The ticker is SCYB. That's our high yield bond ETF. And we also we're now about a year and a half in with our muni bond ETF, SCMB, which we talked about last time, seeing strong flows into that product and very happy with the success so far. And keep in mind, I mean, rates are still high. And Schwab and many other financial institutions believe that rates are going to remain high, at least for the near future here. And if there are any kind of incremental reductions, it might be a quarter point here or there in the next year or so. So plenty of income to be had by many different types of investors. And so I mentioned one taxable bond product and also one muni product. We also have on the equity side, we talked about SCHD last year, which is our US equity dividend product. And then we also have our international product, SCHY, which also tracks the same methodology as SCHD, but that's for international clients. So across the board, we've got a lot of different equity and bond ETF options. I've just mentioned a few of our most popular. And finally, along the lines of popularity, last year, our second most flows went into our intermediate 5 to 10 year corporate bond ETF, SCHI is the ticker on that. So great growth in our income products. And we continue to really focus on it here at Schwab Asset Management.
All right, well now where can investors go to learn all about these products and maybe learn about your market outview for 2024?
So schwabassetmanagement.com is the website, and we have plenty of product pages, plenty of information, market insights. So that's become our kind of one-stop shop for everything an advisor or individual investor needs.
All right, well Eliot, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks for having me.